In the heart of a bright, buzzing town called Sunnytails, lived three best friends who shared a big dream: to help animals in need. Meet Monkeyface Maya, the curious girl who always carried a magnifying glass and a backpack full of bananas, for emergencies, of course. Elephant Eli, the gentle boy who had a voice so calm, even wild birds would land on his shoulder. Foxface Tina, the clever girl who could solve any problem with her tool belt, a roll of tape, and a smile. Together, they called themselves the Kindness Crew, a team of kid heroes on a mission to help animals and learn about the wild. One day, a message arrived. Maya opened her animal walkie-talkie. Yes, they had won. BZZZT. This is Ranger Remy from the Wild Wonder Reserve. We need your help. 3 animals are in trouble and need rescuing, now. Sounds like a mission, said Tina. Let's do it, for the animals. Eli added with a smile. Join the Wild Animal Rescue Mission now, they all shouted, racing to the Adventure Mobile, a decorated red wagon with jungle leaves and sirens made of recycled cans. Tigerface Mission 1, the lost tiger cub in the bamboo forest. A tiger cub named Tico was lost and scared. He meowed loudly but couldn't find his way home. Maya knelt down and said, "Don't worry, Tico. We're here." She noticed Tico had been following a butterfly and lost his path. Tina pulled out her compass and made a mud map. Eli spoke gently, "Your mama is nearby. Let's follow your paw prints back." Together, they found the trail and reunited Tico with his mama, who gave the team a big tiger nuzzle. Life lesson number 1, pay attention to where you are, and always ask for help when you feel lost. Turtle Mission 2, the stuck tortoise at the riverbank. An old tortoise named Tally had fallen upside down in a rocky puddle. "Oh dear," she groaned. "My shell's not made for breakdancing." The team rushed to help. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.